Hello my dear friends, welcome to a brand new video of RS English Education. What if your teacher asked you to give a formal introduction in front of the class, or anywhere in the social context you have been asked for the formal introduction? Well, you may feel having butterflies in your stomach, right? So to remove all these agitations, we have brought for you a video today on self-introduction. Here you will learn how to introduce yourself in English, in school, in colleges, or anywhere you have asked for. So get ready for a great first impression. Let's get going. Well, how will you introduce yourself in the virtual classroom where all the eyes and ears are on you? Keeping all these things in mind, we have made this video for you today to give you certain tips that has to be followed during any formal introduction. Number 1, am I audible to you? Yes, always check that your voice should reach to every corner. Number 2, say your name. Hello everyone, I am Sam, or my name is Sam. Number 3, say something about yourself. I am 7 years old and live in Kolkata. Number 4, I am reading in this school since last 5 years, or I am new to this school. Number 5, say something about your interests. I have key interest in reading storybooks and watching Tom and Jerry series. Number 6, say something about your family. I live with my family, including grandparents, and love to spend time with them. Number 7, introduce your parents. My father is a businessman or a service holder, and my mother is a homemaker or a working lady. Number 8, say something about your fondness. Apart from studies, I have tenderness for music and enjoy playing guitar. Number 9, I like to play football and I play for my school. So, to wrap up, engage directly to your peers and teachers. I am excited to make new friends and I hope we can all learn together. So, this is what our video today. I hope children, by now you have developed the idea of self-introduction. And please use this. It will be very effective for you. Thank you for watching us.